Alright, welcome back. Today we are doing CSS Margins. So I have my test doc here with a emoji in it. And you can see here, I just loaded the dev tools over here, so you can see where the margin sits currently on this div. So you can see there's a margin there, but that's actually around our body, because that's probably a browser setting. So we have margin, which is around the outside of the element, and then we have a border, and then we have the padding, which is internal, and then we have the size of the element. So if we wanted to set margin on our element here, which we call margin box, we would just say margin equals 10 pixels. And then if I save that and reload, it will push this out by 10 and 10. So if we inspect this here, it's not letting me inspect for some reason. Let me inspect. There we go. So now we can see that this has a margin of 10 and 10 and 10 and 10. And if we wanted to set a margin specifically for each size, we could do this. So then this is top, right, bottom, left. So if we set the top margin to 50, it should push our div down quite a lot. And then it has a right of 10, and a bottom of 10 and a left of 10. So we'll just reload. You can see that there, 50, 10, 10, 10. You can also do a shorthand if you wanted to have top and bottom and left and right. You can get rid of these. And then we have a top bottom 50. You can see it's already applied there. And then a left and right of 10 margin. So that is just the outside of the element. So that is margin in CSS. I don't know if there's anything else I can think about to talk about margin. Oh, that's right. You can set margin and then top. If you want to set specific margins not in the shorthand, you could set that here and that will override the top margin on this, but it'll still have a bottom margin of 50 because this is overriding this, because it is in reading this first and then this. But if we put this on top, then this will override that. And it will go back to 50 again. So, yeah. And that is margin in CSS. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.